Many of you are investing in businesses today that are not real, okay? Look at the crypto thing. Look at the ICO thing. Can I touch it? I want to touch things. Now, when I was making $3,000 and had no money and $40,000 in debt, that little story's changed a lot in 25 years. Everybody knows exactly what I do. When you bring up my name, nobody's like, what does he do? I'm a sales guy. I provide sales programs. I took the sales programs, I sold them to corporations. And by the way, all this was done with no investment. It was done like this. Ring-a-ding, ring-a-ding, can I come see you? And we can sing, sing, sing. No, you can't. Thousands of those phone calls. Why am I doing this? Is it unproductive? Probably. Is there a new way to do things? Probably. Is the cold call dead? I don't know. You guys are so dependent upon the internet, so dependent upon Clickfunnels, so dependent upon social media, you have abandoned your own cart. See, right now, the temptation right now is to make things, to make money on things that aren't real. I mean, I know it's a huge temptation right now. I'm not going on Facebook if I want to make another grand right now. I am not going on Instagram right now if I need $1,000 to pay my bills. Instagram is not where I'm going. I blow up Snapchat, okay? I work YouTube, but it's not going to get me an $86 million deal. A phone call is. Me getting in front of the guy is. Me knocking on the door is. Hey, why don't I just call this dude up and say, why haven't you pulled the freaking trigger, dude? Hey, how about this? Why haven't you bought another one, son? What could I do to make you a deal? See, you guys want to email everybody. Dude, nobody knows how to do this anymore. Hey, open your door. If I want a piece of property, I'm going to cold call somebody. If I want to buy a piece of property, 20 acres of land with a building on it in Houston, Texas, that is the trophy of all of Houston, and I want to buy that deal, it won't be on Facebook. There ain't no Clickfunnel that's going to get me that deal. That's all I'm telling you, okay? Simple, man. This ain't complicated. What is it anyway? It's a piece of paper. All we know is you ain't got enough.